Esisiak lupe surupo Esomero kalo St. Mary's Madera Girls kesi Eningi asoma Abongun tetere pedorete aitub aingito kes na ebunit kanu adolokina doketaita che empina ngor koibuga soroti Joana Lobo ngesa polokinita sobanano
Old Girls Road St. Mary's kesi ajasi Aigang Association nemi aritai St. Mary's Old Girls Association apesu monu ajasi Esomero ngoni do anyoutu soma ito white nelegela so aneda lolo ajasani pasini alipakini candidate senior 4 ka senior 6 ido akotonga ilipi candidates wokolo karalo ebe alototo soma taingito mama ingito egogo ido ashoman nese lachet na epedora pukor irotini kere itekia kere ido akotonga iliponi auriak aitoshom idwe lipesur do mama jalainu is sapada awai
Apollo Kiniton, Esomero lo St. Mary's Madera Girls, Sister Mary Salume Agote, Nesi Abu Itachao, Apollo na Aurianetekana.
We have 228 senior 4 students and 34 senior 6 students. So they are also being blessed, wishing them the very best of luck as they are going to sit the examinations. So today we had the old girls coming together, launching the Old Girls Association for St. Mary's Girls Secondary School, Madera, known as MAGS. We pray that God will bless the association since we are just initiating what the girls are coming back to give back to the school. Old girls have given bursaries to the best students. The girl who gets a distinction in chemistry is given 500,000. The girl who gets an A in chemistry is given 1 million shillings. And they want the girl who gets the best mark to come back to be sponsored in the school. So we pray that these girls can take up the scholarships which the old girls are giving us.
Esisiak noi luka science kesi apotu Esisiak lo kolosek opolo kite Dr. Isoto isinyiko ikikedaena na kineta tetere pedorete aswamu jokan.
That from today onwards, all the girls that are here, I hope you're seeing what is happening. We are simply laying a stone for all of you to come back to support our school in every way you can, and of course our teachers as well. Students, you can all do it. We all have the potential. If we all of us here did it, you can also do it.
Kanuka TV East, Solomon Ramu, Koibuga, Soroti.